Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Monday, February 6th. It is the beginning of trading week number 6, but in this video, we're going to cover week number 5. Follow me on Twitter at Solving Chaos on Twitter, or you can go to Facebook group Investing 102. Facebook is a little bit easier because I can have a full discussion. You're not limited to the limited text or characters, so I can do a lot more teaching and showing what I'm doing. Let's go to E-Trade next. We go to E-Trade, we go to the transaction. Make sure, for me, I'm copying the transaction for the last 7 days. And I'm going to paste this into my trusty pivot table. Okay, so we're back here. Let's go back to the details of the trades that we made. So let's talk about the trades where we lost money. We'll put a filter on. And here you go. You see that? So the color for this week, week number 5, will be this gray. And you see this? These are the closing of the positions. And you can see that. That was a big loss. And if you follow the history of this trade, really didn't make much. I lost 1,100, which is really bad because if you see at the very beginning when you opened it, look how little we collected. You collected $253 and then we lost it all. So this is well over a 4x. Every trade has a way to win and lose. Don't ever think that your trade will never lose, because I had a lot of time. I thought I was going to be fine. I thought the markets will trade in a range, and it didn't. And I didn't want to wait and see what happened for this week. So obviously I closed it. I took my loss. Now if I waited, I may have been better off. But again, part of trading is I need to stick to my plan, and that's what I am going to do. So let's take a quick look at the 3, 4, 5. What's going on with that? I'm going to put a filter on that. 3 for 5 is looking like we're still profitable for the year. If you just scroll down and do a summation, $1,651. And this week, all I did was take a quick look at this. I made $36 by rolling the put side. So I added some risk to the put. Now on this one, I have 46 days left. And when did I open this one? This is a number 5. That's not an open, that's a row. I'm just scrolling up to see. So 5 was open on week number 1. Yes, with 73 days. You see that? So I'm just letting this one go down. And right now we have 46 days. So I do have to watch it because by rolling the put side, I added risk to the put. And if the market continues to drop, let's say for the next 2 weeks, I want to close it out. I don't need to wait for the contract to get closer. I just have to keep an eye on it to make sure that the put side is not tested anymore, or not going to be tested, right? You need to close it when it's somewhere in the midpoint between your short leg and your long leg. So that's what I'm going to do. Keep an eye on those positions. Now, the last thing, I'm going to keep this video short, but let's do a EA. Let's see what I did last week. Here's EA. You see I did 2 moves. I rolled down twice. So the first time I did it, it's on the second. Roll down for $12. Then I roll down again for another 4. And then when it was in my direction on a Friday, I can now move it up and adjust the strike price, and then move it out also into next week, or this, which is this week. And you can see that I collected $20 for that row. So even though EA missed earnings, the stock fell, you can still make money on a cover call. And EA has been fairly consistent. I have shown this before. Here you go, almost $200 collected in cover calls, even though the price of the shares haven't really moved much. It's been in a small range, which is why some people love using cover call strategies. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe to the channel, follow my videos for the year, see how I make money or how I lose money. Again, I post my videos as I open my position. This way, I don't know what's going to happen, right? If you're only posting trades at the end, which means you can be selective and only showing your winners. By posting your trades at open, you cannot do that. So follow me on Twitter. I also post on Investing 102 on Facebook. Thanks again, and don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.